Hi guys, it's Max. So today I'm gonna go to the beach again and go swim. We're here at the beach. When you get to this beach, you have to park your car in the sand. We were playing in the sand before we went into the water. And then me and my sister were jumping in the waves. I really like this beach because it's clean and it's clear and it's cool, perfect for the hot weather. This is Gabby. She doesn't like to go far in the water and she only likes to stay close to the sand. So right now, my sister is tanning in the sun because she likes to tan. I'm also putting on sunscreen so I don't get a sunburn. In this beach, there was a lot of birds flying around people. They were really close to me too. As you can see, the water is really clear. I also kept myself hydrated while drinking Gatorade. We were just relaxing ourselves in the ocean a little bit, and then I got done and started dragging myself up. Got a crab. I found a baby crab, and then after I was done touching it, I released it. Because you do not want to harm animals. Bye. Peace.